In this video, we'll show you how to repair a chipped or cracked windscreen using the Sealey Windscreen Repair Kit. Start by removing any loose glass fragments using the pin provided. Use the cleaning cloth to thoroughly clean the damaged area. Centre the applicator base of the repair device over the damaged area of the windscreen. Carefully screw the resin chamber into the centre ring of the applicator, ensuring the rubber mouth is flat against the windscreen. Add 3 to 6 drops of resin into the resin chamber, depending on the extent of the damage. Insert the fully depressed injector into the resin chamber. Draw the plunger of the injector back and lock it into place with the spring clip once it reaches the lower notch. Leave for 15 minutes to allow the resin to penetrate the damaged area. Briefly release the injector from the applicator base to allow air back in. Put the injector back into the base and press the plunger down until it's locked into the upper notch. Leave for another 4 to 6 minutes. Remove the repair device by lifting the tabs on the suction cups. Apply 1 drop of resin to any areas that still show damage and place a piece of curing film over it. Place the UV light provided in the kit over the area. This will allow the resin to cure. Leave for another 3 to 5 minutes. Once cured, use the razor blade to scrape off any excess resin for a smooth, clean finish.